Today I'm checking out this 9-piece torque wrench setup from DISEN. So let's see what's in here. Those are pretty nice. You got 3 different sizes torque wrenches. You have different attachments for adding length to be able to reach different things. There's some angles and some adapters to get different size sockets as well. This is a really solid torque wrench. I like the way it feels in my hand. I like the black matte finish with a little bit of green going on here. To adjust your torque, you just pull the little ring and twist it to your desired torque level. This is pretty awesome because it's marked on both sides. On this side you have foot-pounds torque, and on here you have the Newton meters, so whichever one you prefer to use. Torque wrenches are great because when you're working on vehicles or maybe bicycles or motorcycles or whatnot, there are some components that you don't want to put too much pressure on them, or you want to make sure that it's tight enough. And that's where these wrenches come in hand. You put your torque to the desired setting, and then you go until it clicks. Say you got your kid's bike and you're tightening things down on it, and like I said, you want to make sure it's not too tight. For this demo, I've got it on the lightest torque setting just so we can see it work, and you just tighten it up. See that right there? A little click, a little bit of flex in the wrench lets you know that you've reached the torque level you're wanting to go, so you don't want to keep pulling it. There's a little bit of a click when it hits it, but it's more of a feel because you can feel the handle kind of break just a little bit. So you feel a little bump letting you know you've hit your torque. These are a great set of easy to use torque wrenches that do the job wonderfully. They even come with a little set of instructions, but even better than that, they come with certification showing you the level of accuracy that these exact wrenches have been tested to.